have snow in Dallas. Surprise, we have our white path. Sound of snow in Dallas is calm and silence. Of course, we are getting used to it. Snowfall, it's really gentle and smooth. Getting dressed up with white attire, pleasant for mood and view. Continuous snowfall, thought it was slow and gentle after some time. During evening till night it has made its job very well. Covered up most places. Road building cars all showing peace as unity, white attire as symbol. We'll see you with more experience of day 2.